Sources with Customs and Border Protection confirmed to Fox News that a record 302,000 migrants, 302,000, were encountered at our southern border last month. Of course, that's just the ones we saw. The highest single month ever recorded. And now California Governor Gavin Newsom is giving them a major incentive to head to the Golden State. They became the first state in the union, California did, to offer universal health insurance to all migrants, regardless of documentation. A bill that took effect yesterday will force taxpayers to foot the medical, because it's Medi-Cal in California, medical bills for approximately 700,000 illegal immigrants in the state at a cost of $3.1 billion a year, even as the state faces a $68 billion budget deficit. But Governor Newsom doesn't appear to be bothered by that at all, saying, quote, "In California, we believe everyone deserves access to quality, affordable health care coverage, regardless of income or immigration status." If that's a bit of pandering there, it's not even pie in the sky. Dagan, he knows that not only do they have the budget deficit, but California has, according to reports in 2022, even at that point, at least $1 trillion in unfunded liabilities, which are the pension that they will be owing to through CalPERS, their state workers, $1 trillion unfunded liabilities. And now we bring this into this dynamic. They never mention the unfunded liabilities. How does this impact what they're doing here?
This is not a California issue. What Gavin Newsom is doing in terms of ensuring illegal migrants, it will turn into a national issue and a financial one that will continue to swamp the federal budget. And 2 years ago, California had a $100 billion budget surplus because California has gotten aid time and time again from the federal government. Look no further than what was it, Kennedy? California got $3 billion for the train to nowhere. The bullet train.
They got a lot more than that.
No, they just recently got an additional $3.1 billion train ticket to nowhere for the high-speed train that has never been built. Secondly, they've always screwed the wealthy in California to fill the budget gap. Well, the wealthy have been leaving California, going to other states, so much so that they lost a congressional seat there. And Medicaid, which is supposed to be for the poor, not Medi-Cal, but Medicaid, is partially funded by the federal government, and more than 2/3 of it was funded by the federal government nationwide during COVID. So who's going to wind up footing the bill for this policy that will be picked up by other left-wing states?
Let me ask,
taxpayers.
Mentioning here also to Harris that it's $3.1 billion estimated right now for those individuals. But this is a new incentive, not just for people who want to live great lives and they happen to have health insurance. It is people coming over with serious health issues, serious problems, that now this is an additional aspect. So this is going to just go off into the further billions.
Yeah, you know, this covers up the other things that California is doing so deficiently, like homelessness. I mean, if you have enough people on the streets, I guess you won't know anybody from anybody else. And the health, I mean, if you go to, you know, the ER on any given Saturday of any of these cities in California, just take a look around, judge for yourself. You know, is the care as great as it could be if they weren't overrun completely? I mean, you can make these decisions on your own. You don't have to wait for us on the other coast to peek in. I've lived in California. I went to college out there, lived there for many years after. And what I can tell you is it's always been crowded in those areas. So I can't even imagine what it is now. And now you want to make it free on taxpayers' dime. Are we giving free health care to the homeless right now? I mean, what does it look like for those Americans who so desperate? For those veterans like yourself who are not as blessed and are living on America's streets, a shame to our country. Are we going to take care of them first?
Patrick?
My brother, by the way, veteran, lived in California. He just moved out of state to Florida. But it's to the point of what you and Dagan just made. It is a national security issue when you talk about the budget. California specifically, that's $3.1 billion added to their state debt. It's already at $68 billion. Cities like New York, it's not just California and New York, because New York, we have about 4,000 migrants coming to New York each week. And when you see that, New York City just spent $4.6 million to fly migrants outside of New York. $4.6 million. Chicago, Philadelphia, other cities. But this is the point. That's why we have this immigration. We need comprehensive immigration reform. This isn't something you just kick down the road.
I want to get to
And that's why when you have Senator Chris Murphy and Langford coming together, they worked every day on this, except for Christmas Day, down in Washington, D.C., to move it forward.
Patrick,
that's what we need.
All right, so that's what Americans see is a lot of stuff going on in Washington that doesn't fix anything. This is, to Dakin's point, going to be, this is a petri dish in California. It'll be national.
Yes, and we see that San Francisco is collapsing, and that's sort of the micro version of what's happening in the entire state of California. You can't have it both ways. You cannot have a welfare state that is expanding and now exploding and have open immigration. The math simply does not support it. California will collapse under this weight, and they will pivot to the federal government for a bailout, which they absolutely, positively do not deserve. All you have to do is drive past a federal building in Los Angeles and see those rows and rows of tents with American flags on them for those homeless veterans. So shame on Gavin Newsom. His political career needs to come to a terminus.
He knows what the deficit is. He knows what the unfunded liabilities are. He knows who he's condemning, and it's all Californians.
Hey, everyone. I'm Emily Campagno. Catch me and my co-hosts Harris Faulkner and Kaylee McEnany on Outnumbered every weekday at 12 p.m. Eastern, or set your DVR. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page for daily highlights.